What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and as you guys know, we do giveaways all the time, basically like every single month. And one thing that you might have noticed is recently we've been teaming up with Nineline. So the question is, who is Nineline? So the first thing you might be wondering is, where exactly does the name Nineline come from?
In the military, a Nineline is a CASEVAC call, a call for help. Here stateside, Nineline Apparel represents a clothing brand, a lifestyle brand focused on patriotism and bridging the gap between those who serve and those who support us.
So as you guys know, we love America, and we love that Nineline supports their vets.
As a veteran-owned and operated company, we support our service members and their families, and are proud to say they make up over half of our workforce.
So the third thing that you might not know about Nineline is that they actually have something called the Nineline Foundation.
So outside of the apparel company, we have a Nineline Foundation, 100% nonprofit 501c3. We've built 5 homes for severely combat wounded veterans and their families, and our current initiative, building a tiny home village to help get homeless veterans of Savannah off the streets and back into society.
So when it comes to production, Nineline basically does everything in-house.
So here at Nineline Apparel, we employ over 180 hardworking Americans. You know, their departments range from anywhere between graphic design, production, inventory, all the way to fulfillment, where we get your stuff out the door. You know, there is no such thing as a better department. We all have to work together to get the mission accomplished.
So the last thing that you might not know about Nineline is they actually offer something called the Got Your 6 guarantee.
Here at Nineline, we've got the Got Your 6 guarantee. What that means is, if there's ever any problem with your order, just give us a call and we'll make it right.
So that's who Nineline is, and remember, if you're watching this, as soon as it gets posted, you can enter for a chance to win a complete build, and second place gets a $500 gift card towards any RBP accessories. All you gotta do is come out, pick up this shirt, and that automatically gets you entered to win. It's customoffsets.com/RBP, or check out the links we provided in the description below.